वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी लाइफ। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, हम कक्षा 8वीं और 5वीं बोर्ड एग्जाम की तैयारी करवाते हैं। तो आज हम लेकर आए हैं स्वामी आत्मानंद स्कूल के जो बच्चे हैं, इंग्लिश मीडियम के जो बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए सोशल साइंस के प्रश्न। तो चलिए क्लास शुरू करते हैं और देखते हैं पहला प्रश्न। अगर आप अभी तक चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए। तो चलिए देखते हैं पहला प्रश्न। पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ मैन मेड रिसोर्स। मैन मेड रिसोर्स कौन सा है? मिनरल्स, रॉक, मशीन एंड सॉइल। सो राइट इज आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी। व्हाट इज कॉल्ड ब्लैक गोल्ड? गोल्ड, कोल, आयरन, पेट्रोलियम। ऑप्शन नंबर डी, पेट्रोलियम इज कॉल्ड ब्लैक गोल्ड। वेयर इज द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ द यूनाइटेड नेशन लोकेटेड? वाशिंगटन, न्यूयॉर्क, दिल्ली, कलकत्ता। सो the right answer is option number B. On which number can children make a complaint call if they are ill treated? 1098, 1089, 108, 100. So right answer is 1098. Option number A. Next question. Who was the president of the Constitution Assembly? Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Sachidanand, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option D, Dr. Khubchand Baghel. Who was the author of Vande Mataram? श्रीमती मिनी माता, श्रीमती सरोजनी नायडू, श्री रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर, श्री बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय. सो द ऑथर ऑफ द वंदे मातरम इज श्री बंकिम चंद्र चट्टोपाध्याय. इन द जन गण मन इज द ऑथर ऑफ श्री रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. विच सिटी इज कॉल्ड द मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? कोलकाता, सूरत, दिल्ली, मुंबई. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज कॉल्ड मैनचेस्टर ऑफ इंडिया. Who discovered the sea route from Europe to India? Columbus, Martin Luther, Vasco da Gama, Copernicus. So option number D, Vasco da Gama is discovered the sea route from Europe to India on 1498. Accounting of income and expenditure is called budget, tax, saving, interest. Who implemented the permanent settlement? Dalhousie, Cornwallis, Wellesley, William Bentinck. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks was the last emperor of Delhi. Who is called the Iron Man of India? So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called the Iron Man of India. Fill in the blanks is the phone number of the police control room. 100 is the phone number of the police control room. Jute is also known as. Fill in the blanks industry is one of the oldest industry in the world. Very short answer type question. What is income tax? Write any two principles of Satnam Act. Write any four fundamental rights given by the Constitution. Our Constitution given 11 fundamental rights and the 6 fundamental fundamental rights is 6 and the fundamental duties are 11. Why do we need courts? Next question. What four things will do you to avoid bad behavior in the action of other pupil? Explain. Question number 7. What will happen if there will be no rules or laws in the society? Why the state of Chhattisgarh is called Chhattisgarh? Write any 3 ways to save energy at home. That is a very easy question. What do you mean by central government? Write the names of all the organs of central government. Write any 3 ways to make the soil fertile. What do you understand by constitution? The middle class has become the backbone of modern social system. Why? Next question is, what is meant by the policy of non-alignment? Draw a label diagram of soil profile. State your views on the slogan Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Long answer type question. Discuss the crops on the basis of the following points. Production country, weight, soil, amount of water, temperature, sowing and harvesting time, and rice. Or difference between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha on the basis of the following points. Given points, number of members, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So Lok Sabha is 545 and Rajya Sabha is 250. Number of members nominated by the President, Lok Sabha 2 and Rajya Sabha 12. Process of election. Renew. Number of seats in Chhattisgarh Lok Sabha 11, in Rajya Sabha 5, in Vidhan Sabha 90. So any 5 places centers of the revolt of 1857 in the map of India: Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. That is so easy. Chhattisgarh in the middle of the our map. Draw a well-labeled diagram of biogas plant. Long answer type question. What do you understand by population distribution? Describe the geographical factor affecting population distribution, or describe the method for obtaining information under RTI. And the last question is write short notes on the following: Dalhousie's inclusion policy, subsidiary alliance, dual rule. Write short note on the following: United Nations, India's role in United Nations, World Health Organization. That is a very important question for social science English medium. Thank you so much.